Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. A good deal. Features also include keyless entry, premium sound system, leather seats, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2019 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.